Hi guys, it's me, Clea.
It's me, Koala, and today I'm babysitting one of my family friends, and this video is inspired by Jkjk. What we're going to be doing is a little challenge where she guesses the Animal Jam YouTuber by their profile picture. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first one is this one. What do you think this one's name is?
George.
George? Is that your final answer? Just George?
George or Leah.
George or Leah?
Yeah.
It's like George or Leah?
Yeah.
Alright. That one is called Pepper.
Oh, shoot.
I'll give you a hint since you don't know any of them. This one starts with an L.
So, Lena, Leah, or Elizabeth.
Like, I don't know if they're like real names or like animals or food.
Animals?
Yeah.
Leaves?
Yeah. Is that your guess? Leaves?
Or La Peppers.
La Peppers?
Yeah.
This one is Lemon Puppy.
I'm so bad. Shoot.
What do you think this one is? It starts with a Q.
A Q? Well, I saw a few, so I might know.
Okay, what's this one?
Queen or koala?
You got the first word right. Queen.
Oh yeah, baby. Queen a Q or queen lover?
Close.
What?
It's Queen Wolf.
I should have said wolf. Why am I so horrible?
I don't think you watch YouTubers, do you? No?
I don't know. Bye, people. I'm taking a nap.
Oh my god.
Now you better watch this.
Oh my god.
And subscribe and like.
Do you want to go on to the next picture?
No.
No?
No, maybe yes. No. Yes,
Let's go on to the next picture.
Okay, whatever. Shoot.
Here's the next picture. I think you saw this one. Or I said it multiple
You
times.
keep saying.
When I was like taking the picture, I think I said it.
Yeah, I heard you say it, but I forget what it is. So that's good, right?
Yeah. Oh, I think you're wearing my shirt, my old shirt.
It's the llama.
Yeah.
Did you give me another llama one?
Mm-hmm.
Probably. And you also gave me a rainbow star one.
Yeah.
Well, whatever. Let's get out to the video. So I think her name's Georgie.
Georgie.
Or Jalea.
Jalea.
Or Jamali. Or Jamupa.
It starts with a G, but it's not Jamupa.
A G. Did I get any of them right?
It's something in space.
Something space.
Like
Joe Biden?
Joe Biden starts with J.
Oh, I'm dumb. And don't write anything else. Or you get slapped across the face. Like boom, boom, boom.
Mm-hmm.
I think the name is Jamali.
Jamali?
No. Georgie.
Georgie? Oh, is that your final answer, Georgie?
Yes.
Okay. It was Galaxy Mints.
I know that.
I said it multiple times out loud when I was looking it up.
Okay, bye. I'm done with this stupid video. Now post it.
I will when we're done. I have like 2 more.
Good. And then we're making a new video.
Alright, can I post this one?
Yeah, you can.
Alright.
Only if you don't do mean comments. If there's mean comments, delete them.
I will.
I mean you guys. All of you watching this video now. Bye, sore losers.
Sore losers? They're not sore losers.
Whatever, let's get on
Alright.
to the next one. Bye.
The first two letters of this one are AK.
I know, you already told me before the video.
Yes.
It starts with AK. Ak.
Yes.
Koalalies.
Don't. No.
Peppermint.
No, not peppermint.
Oh, I know.
What is it?
Leprechaun.
Leprechaun?
Yes.
No. I said it at the beginning of the video. Remember, it's inspired by who? Who?
I forget and I want to get one right.
Aka.
Koalastarflower.
No.
I
Close.
can't deal with this thing anymore.
Do you want me to tell you?
No.
You want to keep guessing?
No. Tell me.
Jkjk. Remember?
No. Now, good night.
Good night. You spit on me.
I have a thought. PAWLENA
Did you see this one earlier?
or PAWLENA?
Yeah. You saw this one?
Yeah.
All right, now we have two more, I think. So this one's PAWLENA. I think that's how you say it.
Yes! I finally got one right. Oh, yeah.
Allie. Clap.
Hi, I love you, Henry.
That's not Henry.
Bye, guys.
Do you know this one?
Joe Biden.
None of them are Joe Biden.
Okay. FLA is the first letter.
I think you saw some of this one. You kept looking at my screen.
Yeah.
So FLA, that was flaw.
Fly.
No, it's not fly.
What?
No, it's not fly.
Oh, because fly only has 3 letters and there's no Y.
Mm-hmm.
Fly K?
Oh.
Faluna?
Balloon? No.
I give up.
Don't me tell you? It's flamingo.
Flamingo! I got it right!
Uh-huh. After I told you.
You did not tell me. Now leave the channel. Bye, people.
Don't leave.
Bye.
Don't. All right, there was like 1 or 2 more, but she wants to be done with the video, right, Clea?
Yeah. And I want to make a new video,
Yeah, we're gonna make another video or 2.
which you can watch after this one, because this is part 1, maybe.
Maybe. But thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video starring Clea.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace. Gucci booty.
All right, bye.
Bye.